Today we will conduct freelance question number 2. Question number 1. Which of the following is not compulsory for work-life balance is freelancing? Work, staying healthy, our commitment, and gone. And question number 2. In case of emergency, if a freelancer is not able to complete his project on time, then what he must do? In case of delay quality of project without informing the employer, discuss the situation with employer, open dispatch, intentionally delay the project. These are 4 options. You select any right options. And to sign up, question number 3. To sign up on any freelance marketplace, you must have in phone number, payment detail, email address, NIC. Question number 4. Which one of the following should be the most initially part of your bid response? Closing of bid, grading, your Skype information, your phone number. These are 4 options. You select any right options. Question number 5. A newbie can join a freelance marketplace by signing up, consulting the support team, login, requesting membership. These are 4 options. Question number 6 is a collections of settings and information associated with the user profile, hard skill, soft skill, and none of above. This is a 4 options. Question number 7. What should be the first step when your client opens a private message board? Number 1 options: determine the scope of the project, ask the employer about his previous project, immediately accept the project, and last, none of the above. Question number 8. 5-star feedback. Describe that the quality of service is very poor, satisfactory, just okay, and excellent. These are 4 options. We select any right options. Question number 9. What does your profile represents? Level of expertise, honesty, portfolio, and last, quality of work. Last question. What help employee understand that you are actually good at your skill? Profile, descriptions, education history, portfolio, and none of the above. Viewers, this time is 71 minutes just only, and then I will take 79 seconds before every questions timing 1 minute, and start time 1:47 o'clock, and 11 September, and it means yesterday. I hope this video is very informative for you. Thank you for watching.